Hello everyone, Merry Christmas! So today I've got some Christmas themed blind boxes to open. So I've got Lulu the pig, Twinkle Twinkle, and I've got Zigga. So the Zigga ones are the newer set that is out now. The Twinkle Twinkle, I think it's a Christmas set. That's an older set. I think it's Christmas themed, or maybe just a winter theme, but definitely looks Christmas. So it's got the snowman and the cookie bread, and there's some other things. And I have got an older set of Lulu the pig. I think this is the set from last year. So these Lulu the pig ones look so cute. So there's hot cocoa, Yule log, I think that says ornaments, gingerbread man, snowman, and Christmas tree. These are really cute. So, but I think we're going to start off the larger set. So we're going to start off with the Zigga ones, the winter garden. I have 3 of these to open. So we should look at the options. The Zigga ones look really cute. So they've got a lot of Christmas kind of decoration, Christmas tree decorations. So there's a gingerbread one, and there's the last lap. There's a hat full of surprises. There's a lot of options. I'm not sure what the secret is, but I do like it that these can just be hung up, especially on a Christmas tree. Because I think these Christmas ones are great. Especially if you really enjoy Christmas and the decorating, these are like something you can reuse again, put them on your tree, or just have them around your house. I think I really do probably like these more than the Halloween. I think the Christmas decorations are certainly longer here in Australia than the Halloween ones. So I will definitely be enjoying these. So let's get started. Oh, it's got tape. Oh, that doesn't matter. All right, let's go. Wow. Card. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh. How cute's that? She's like wrapped up in a ball, but it looks like a snowy plain, and it's got little trees and houses and everything on it. How cute. That is very cute. Look at that. It's like a snow tundra kind of a feeling, a little snow town, and she's wrapped up in a ball. And there's I think that's a little trademark little thing on her sock or on her foot, little face. That is very cute. Now I think she must go like that. Right. Just grab out that, put that on there. Nope. That is very, very, very cute. Alright, let's get out the card. Ooh. So this one is the winter gifts. Rolling Winter. That's the name of the figurine. Oh, very nice. That is very cute. Look at that. Really nice. Nicely Christmassy themed. Not that we have snow in Australia, but still very Christmassy. Alright, let's do the next one. I'll push that up to the back a bit. Okay. Alright, so number 2. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Wow, how cute is that? Oh, let's get out the card. Oh, there's extras. What's that? Oh, it's a little ribbon to go through that so you can tie it on your tree. So this one is dressed up. That's really cute. Very cute. Alright, so put that over there. Got this, oh, it's a little ribbon. So this is like a tree ornament. Oh, it's going to be hard to get through the loop. Well, it's quite long. That's pretty good. Yes. Fold that up. Put it through there. Like that. Nice little bow. That. Kind of. Oh, that's very cute. Look at that. So she's dressed up in just like a little bell. Looks like a little bell dress with this nice pink colour with the really, really blue eyes. And I'm not sure, it's just a little face on her feet, one of her foot. Little trademark thing that she has. That's very cute. I do like the hanging ones. Oh, how cute. Okay, put her up there. Oh, then stand. Oh, good. Alright, one more. I do like these ones up here. And she's like dressed up as Santa. I think they're cute. Alright, but I think they're all pretty cute. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ah, yay! Oh, yeah, how cute is that? It's like she's hiding or sitting in a big Santa hat. Oh, how cute! Oh, nicely flocked too. It's all flocked in the red and the white, and she's got a little green pants or skirt on. And there's a little face on her foot. Ah, I like that one. That's really cute. So that's just going to sit on my TV stand, I think. Yeah, how cute. That's really nice. Oh, put those through there. Alright, so the next ones I think we'll open are the Lulu Pig Christmas Land. I have 3 of these. Okay, there. I think these are very cute. I think they're all really, really cute. Okay. Oh, no. That's a spoiler. I don't know. Maybe. I think it is. Well, we'll just ignore that. Okay, 3, 2, 1. No, it wasn't a spoiler. Oh, look. She's dressed up as a Christmas tree. Oh, cute. Nice detail, like that flocking and that blush just on her ear tips. That is really, really nice. Oh, really cute. She's got flocking on her little bum cheeks. How cute is that? That's very cute. Oh, I think this series is from last year, so I don't think it's in production anymore. So I think I got these from Kicker Goods, and they were just some ones that they had left over from last year. Yeah, so put that one there. Where's the box? Oh, it's a card. Yeah, oh no, it wasn't a. Oh, there it is in the back. So, Christmas Tree is the name of the Lulu Pig figurine. Ah, very cute. All right, got the second one. Oh. Okay. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, it fits. Oh. Oh. Ah. No, it just comes out. Oh, look, she's in a hot cup of cocoa. Oh, look, she's sitting in there. Oh, that's so cute. I guess they're little marshmallows and some little chocolate. And a little mini Lulu pig biscuit there, treat in the background. Oh, it's like a cup. Oh, it comes with a plate. Oh, and it's got the Lulu pig on it. So there you've got a little hot cup of cocoa. Oh, it's a cute decoration. How cute. Oh, so cute. Alright, I've got one more. Okay. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Oh. How cute is that? She's dressed up as a little snowman, little carrot nose, and a little mini one on top. Oh, that is really cute. No, she's got a little bit of flocking, just a little bit around on the white. Oh, that is super adorable. So I think the Lily Pig one's really good, really nice detail. How cute is that? That's so cute. Okay, I didn't get the card out from the last one. So this one is Snowman. Hey. Oh, I got the card out from the other one. And another one is Hot Cocoa. So cute. There are the cards. Okay, so got 2 more left. So these ones are, I think they're Christmas. They're an old set from Twinkle Twinkle. They feel Christmassy. Surely they are, because they got like, was it favorite cookies, snowman, friend. So yeah, but they're an older set. So I've just got 2 of these ones. So okay, we'll open these ones. One, two, three. Oh, that's really cool. Look how cute is that? What's that one? Very cute. Star apple. You're already full of ripened apple, so good and live a sweet life. From Twinkle Twinkle. That's cute. I guess it's candy apple. It's got little stars on it, little leaf. Really nice. I've never opened Twinkle Twinkle before. Nice detail. Very like child kind of sketch drawn type. I think Twinkle Twinkle is overall. Like a hand sketch, like some child's drawn the character. Very cute. Okay. There. Okay. Our last one. A little heavy. What? Oh, that's very cute. That's very Christmassy. I like that. With the little snowman. I wait for you to come back. Because he melts away. I guess that's what it's meaning. Oh, how cute. Oh, his little snowman backpack. That's very cute. Oh. Card. Snowman friend. Oh, how adorable. Look at that. His little snot nose bobble. And a little hat of the snowman and little snowman backpack. That is really cute. Very Christmassy, that one, I think. So I think this set is a Christmas set. Yeah. Very cute. Very cute. Okay. So there's my Christmas little ones that I've opened. Favorite one? I don't know. Probably definitely that one, I'd say. The Lulu the pig dressed as a little snowman. They're very cute. And also like the Zigga one. And she's in a Christmas hat. That's really cute. I really do like all of them, really. They're all cute. I do like the Twinkle Twinkle one with the snowman hat. That's really cute. Very cute. Little backpack. Nice. So cute. Okay, thanks for watching my little short Christmas unboxing. I hope everyone has a really nice Christmas and a safe Christmas and fun and wonderful holidays. And I'll see you next time. See ya!